Aerating a clogged or biologically failing septic field can often restore function for a tiny house septic system when space and budget are limited. For an aeration rehabilitation septic system for a tiny house, start by assessing the drainfield condition with a simple infiltration test and an upstream inspection for solids accumulation. Use intermittent aeration or air injection systems sized for low flow conditions rather than continuous high volume aeration to avoid drying or shocking the soil biology. Install a small diaphragm or rotary vane blower located above frost line and run flexible distribution lines with evenly spaced air diffusers parallel to the existing laterals so air is spread across the problematic zone. Combine aeration with mechanical removal of solids or a pumped cleanout in the septic tank to reduce organic loading that will quickly foul an aerated field. Set cycle timing to alternate between aeration and rest periods, such as 30 minutes on and 2 hours off during initial rehabilitation while monitoring for improvement. Monitor response using repeat infiltration tests, visual checks for surfacing, and measurement of effluent quality if possible, adjusting timing and run length based on measured infiltration and vegetation response. Common mistakes include over-aerating, which can dewater and damage the microbial community. Avoid this by using intermittent cycles and starting conservatively. Another issue is failing to remove upstream solids first, which causes rapid diffuser clogging. Schedule a mechanical tank cleanout and, if needed, install a septic filter or grease trap to reduce solids and protect the new system. A third mistake is poor diffuser placement or inadequate air distribution, leading to uneven rehabilitation. Remedy this by mapping existing laterals, placing diffusers across the entire stressed area, and confirming air delivery at each diffuser before burying the lines. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can install and tune small aeration systems for tiny house septic fields and compare bids and approaches. We also help contractors find work and share their experience in our discussion community, where we and our members exchange tips and troubleshooting advice.